Hi, it's Izzy Dixon here again from Well Organized Marketing, and in today's blogging tip I would like to talk to you about making your blogs more shareable. How can you do that? How can you make sure that people share your blog posts online when they find them on your website so that they get a wider reach, a wider audience? A really simple way to do that is to install social sharing buttons. Those are the little social media symbols that you see either down one side or top or bottom of your blog post, your article. They if you have a WordPress website, they're simply plugins. Most of them are free. Yes, there are always paid options with more variety, where you can sort of have more exciting options, but most social sharing buttons come in an absolutely good free option that gives you everything you need, such as choosing which social platforms to share to, whether you can turn the share count on or off, things like that. So having social sharing buttons makes it a lot easier for your readers to share your content on social media, because all they have to do is click on one of those buttons, and then it links it directly to your reader's account, and all they have to do is maybe sort of leave a little comment why they're sharing this particular article, why it's interesting, why do you think other people might want to read it as well. Rather than having to log into their social media platform and then copy the link to your blog post and then paste it, and knowing how to do all that, not everybody does, etc, etc. So have those buttons, they will really make a difference. Another way is, especially if you like to be shared on Twitter, is to install a click to tweet plugin. Again, WordPress has those available, where you usually get a little quote in a box, which you then click on as a reader, and it connects with Twitter, and that quote gets shared together with the link to the original post. So again, making it really easy for people to share your stuff online. So those are the two main tips. There's a little bit more to it. If you want to sort of know more detail, as always, please pop over to the related blog post. There's a link in the description of this video. If you found today's tip useful, please share it far and wide. Share the video, hit like on the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll happily answer those. And yeah, I'll see you again in about a week's time with the next tip. Take care now. Bye bye.